IFS के बारे में I'll tell you all a little bit. IFS is a job which I found very, very interesting because firstly, I really liked reading about international relations. There are so many ups and downs and twists and turns, and just the fact to be there in the ministry and know what is going on and what is India thinking before doing some move, that really मुझे बहुत interesting लगता था ये. And you know, right now when I am in the ministry and working with divisions and we discuss what is going to be in the news headline tomorrow. So in the IFS, all the things you do become national news. और वो national news जो आने वाला है कल, वो आज मिनिस्ट्री में IFS ऑफिसर्स बैठ के उस पर डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. That is one part that was one exciting part. Apart from that, I'd say IFS provides you an opportunity to actually go and live in places which you would never live in otherwise. For example, right now I'm going on my first posting to Paris, and I can never imagine living in Paris for so many years and looking at the culture there and seeing how people are there. And काफ़ी बार इंडिया में रह के हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा इंडियन हो जाता है. एज बाय इंडियन आई मीन दैट इट बिकम्स a little narrow as to we are not able to think how other people from other countries are thinking. And being in IFS, you get that global perspective and you realize how things work throughout the world. Also, that is one thing, you get to travel a lot. Your life becomes very adventurous, very exciting. If you're more into adventure, you can get posted to very risky places also, which is very exciting. And apart from that, I think IFS का काफ़ी behind the curtains job होता है. Whatever news we are seeing, you know, for example, as I said एक बार पहले that अभी recently Africa से India got cheetahs, right? So how do you think that cheetahs came from Africa to India? Behind that were IFS officers doing the negotiations, right? Or how do you think Japan is investing in a bullet train in India? Behind that were IFS officers who are doing these negotiations. So anything, आप prelims के लिए बहुत सारे अपने current affairs में पढ़ते होंगे कि ये defense exercise हो रही है, ये deal sign हुई, USA के साथ 4 deal sign हो गई. All these things that are happening, उसके पीछे IFS officers हैं who are every day negotiating with other countries. And we often say there's this perception that maybe IFS does not directly benefit the people. There's this myth, I'd say. But that is not true, because whatever you do is directly helping people who are in India. For example, today if we collaborate with South Korea and open a factory of mobile phones here in Delhi, it is creating so many jobs here. Or if tomorrow we are like collaborating with France on the International Solar Alliance, we are actually helping so many farmers in India by supplying solar energy to them. The only difference is that whatever you do in IFS takes a national level or a country level, and whatever you do is impacting the entire country. For example, few days back only with UK young professional scheme start हुआ. अभी हम न्यूज़ में पढ़ लेते हैं कि ये स्कीम स्टार्ट हुआ, ठीक है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प सो मेनी पीपल. But do you understand इसके पीछे so many months of negotiations and sitting down and deciding the entire policy as to how things will go, all this happens. So I think overall, looking at all these things, I found IFS to be a very interesting job, and the opportunities it provides or the exposure it provides, that I felt is very great, because you know, you're actually going to different countries and talking to the people you're going to a country and directly meeting the president and prime minister of that country. I mean, who gets to do that every day? So for that reason, I think IFS was something that I had a bias towards.